Welcome to this exceptional custom-built home situated at the top of a private street in Forest Heights. From your expansive wraparound deck, take in the captivating panoramic views. A peaceful and private location, yet close to downtown, high-tech areas, shopping, and restaurants. Heading inside, you'll discover an inviting interior with a spacious open floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The large living room has direct access to the deck, abundant natural light, and a cozy fireplace. It opens to the chef's kitchen with a large cooktop island, a perfect place for gathering or creating your favorite cuisine. While taking in the peaceful views. Or entertain in the formal dining room, which opens to the covered view deck, ideal for all seasons. Double doors open to the main floor office. Up a few steps, you'll find a library or bonus room with built-ins. On the upper level, relax in your private retreat, a gorgeous master bedroom with ensuite. The luxurious master bath is complete with double sinks, fine finishes, a soaking tub, rain shower, and a large walk-in closet. This more than 4,000 square foot home has plenty of space with another 2 bedrooms and a craft room on this upper level. Downstairs features a large family room, another bedroom, full bath, and tons of storage. Other features include a built-in surround sound system, a dual-zone furnace and air conditioning, and much more. Living here, you're close to Mill Pond Park, miles of walking trails, and the village of Forest Heights. A gorgeous custom home with spectacular views. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Laura Sheldon with Premier Property Group at 503-750-0227.